When I get you're passing.
Come on, son, you go please. Come on,
Joan, I've told you, dreams are just a repeat of what happened during the day. You scared me.
Oh my God, that was close.
Hey! Umeh alọta o! Umeh alọta o! Hey! Hey, my people are back! Hey! Welcome! Oh! Oh, Kazima! Putawa, keke se nepo zowan. Auntie! I see my daughters. Oh, Malicham.
You look nice.
Thank you, Joan. You're beautiful. Where is Electric? Electric, calm down. Oh.
You look so nice.
Thank you. Hey. One leg. Hey, Electric. Hey. Electric.
Electra.
Please forgive me. The moment you hear Ele or Wire, you know I'm referring to you. Auntie, you're very funny.
How are you?
I'm fine. Hi, beautiful people. You're looking good.
She's not even looking like
Is it our blood?
Girls, please, get the things from the boat.
Okay. How was the road?
You know how the roads are very bad. Very bad.
Thank God you people are experiencing what we expect. But every day we hear it on radio that the roads are perfectly okay.
It's all politics. It's all politics.
Hi, and nobody called me to tell me that you people are coming.
There is no need. Sister, this is your food.
Where? My brother. I hope you enjoy your meal.
One day. The meal is sumptuous. That is why I like coming to the village.
Okay. Look at you. I know you're flattering me. This one is very small. It's because I could not get all the necessary condiments I needed. If you had informed me days before coming, I would have prepared something more palatable than this.
More than this?
Look at our berry hen. This one is small thing.
Oh, one and why? This is a sumptuous meal.
Look, enjoy.
This one is more than wonderful. You see why I like coming back to the village? You see? Let me stop here. Ngeli wafo.
Okay, let me take the plates in.
Wait. And then there is something I want us to discuss.
Yes. Okay.
Because if you carry this plate inside, by the time you come out, I will have dozed off.
Oh, let's go ahead and talk.
I came to inform you that I have retired from the civil service.
Hey, for the privilege given to my brother to work all these years and retire in good health.
Yes, sir.
Hell!
Amen. And I have decided to relocate back to the village. Yes. So that I can look for where and how to invest whatever they will give me as gratuity.
Hey, that is thoughtful of you. Chai. Oh, Omaka.
Where are the girls?
Those girls are wonderful. They have been with me in the kitchen cooking. Keeping me company. I love them all.
Okay. It's alright. So that's what I said I should let you know.
Okay, let me take the plates inside now.
Yes. And then take the plates.
Are you okay with the water?
Yeah, I'm okay with everything. Hey! If I have started sleeping by the time you come back, don't wake me up.
No problem.
My sister.
You really make me laugh.
See, those things are too archaic. They should give way to civilization. Just as we are taught in school.
Nena.
Nigerian.
What is amusing you?
Oh, children cannot stop being children. Honestly. Imagine my niece calling our own culture. Calling our culture a cake. Hey! Please, how is your family?
They are fine, my dear. And who is she?
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, my daughter.
Electric, my niece.
Electra, auntie.
Whichever one. My own daughter, my brother's daughter. All the same.
They came back?
They came.
Hey, Mom, you are welcome.
Yeah. Thank you, ma.
Look how she's beautiful. No wonder you are calling her electric. That is real electric.
You know now, our lineage are beautiful people. Now shine. As you can see, my sister, we're coming from the market. I have to get more food stuff for the house. Now we are many in number.
Oh, I'm writing there from there. You don't have problem. I'm going to bye-bye.
We'll see, yeah?
Bye-bye.
Oh, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Stop looking.
Joan, where is your aunt and Electra?
They went out together.
Oh, really? So why didn't you go with them?
So the sun is too much. I can't be walking under this scorching sun.
Okay. So when you get admission into the university, I will have to buy you an air-conditioned umbrella, suit, shoes, so you don't have to feel the scorching sun.
Dad, stop. I didn't say I won't go out to socialize. Just that I don't want to go out today.
Oh, yes, I know. Okay, fine. By then they would have made some inventions that have to like air-conditioned street like they have in Taiwan.
Daddy, you're not serious. I'll just Not today. I want to be by myself and have me time.
Anyway, girl, I am going out to see some of my kinsmen and some families that are bereaved. Okay. Pay my condolences.
Take care of yourself.
All right. Okay, I'll be back.
All right, take care of yourself.
Same here.
Just like that. Yeah, after blending you fry. Put the combination later. Wow. Auntie, what are you guys doing? Nothing, just going through some things on Facebook.
Oh, electric.
Auntie, it's not electric, it's Electra.
Sorry about that.
Electra.
Electra.
Electra. Electra.
Auntie, you keep making the same mistake every day.
Chai, this reminds me of your mother. May her soul rest in peace.
Amen.
I told her when she was giving you this name. I told her a common woman in this village cannot pronounce this name. A name I cannot pronounce. Forgive me, my dear. Take this money. Run to Mama and Collie's place and buy me a video pay. Why are you making faces? Please run as fast as your legs can take you. See, it's about to rain.
Walk you where? Because carry your cross.
Joan, please run. Go see rain.
Well, let me enjoy this thing alone.
Umeh, please come to the kitchen. Come with me.
Auntie, I should come to the kitchen.
Please, let's go and prepare something fast.
I'm coming.
Who is she? I mean, she's beautiful. I didn't know how. Are you asking me? Why don't you ask her? So we have this kind of girl in this our village. Right now, I'm going right the way to go and ask her. Hey! Emeka! Look at this guy, yo. He's ready to abandon the important place he's supposed to go to just because he saw a girl. Hey! Hello, man. So what? Hey! Emeka!
And I beg, do fast. Now give my change, man. Come on. Thank you.
All right. Welcome.
Good afternoon.
What do you want?
Ogiri.
How much? 50 naira.
Okay, give me 2. Please be fast.
Hi.
Helen.
You're beautiful.
Thank you.
I saw you in the far distance when you were running, and I was with my friend. As you run
Please
gym.
be fast, my friend.
Yes. So you passed me, so I decided to follow you down here. You're beautiful.
Thank you.
How can I see you again?
Sorry, that'll be some other time. My auntie's waiting.
Okay. How can I locate your location? Why are you laughing at me? Why are you following me like a mad dog?
You are the one who is mad. You have gone mad, my friend. So we are on our way to see Chigozie for an important discussion. Is there to stop to shut up a woman?
Is there any problem? Is there any problem?
Hey,
course I'll miss you. All I want you to do is to take care of yourselves, take care of the house, take care of my sister. It's okay, I'll miss you too.
Please, you girls should let your father be. He will come back soon.
Adadne.
It's
okay. Cody, well done.
Safe trip. Bye.
Where is my car key? Ada, where is my car key?
No. Let's bribe me. Bribe us before you get your car key.
Oh.
Daddy, what will you buy for us?
Of course, I will always buy something for you.
What does it say?
Okay. It's a surprise.
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 Are you sure?
Yeah.
So I should give you the key.
Of course.
Eh? Here is your key. Bye, Daddy.
Adadne.
Drive carefully, Daddy.
Bye-bye.
We love you.
I don't know why you are shy when talking to me. It's you and I. Here, nobody else. Chill. Huh? I'm over here to Jamaica now. See, I want to ask you a question. Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Are you sure?
Want my father to kill me. When I was in secondary school, it was just this boy from my school.
This boy from your school?
Yes.
On the main here?
No.
Are you sure that he's not doing this?
Want my father to kill me.
Okay, now you have told me that he's not doing anything. See, my heart is full of joy. Now listen, the reason I invited you here is I want you to be my girlfriend.
May be your girlfriend.
Please don't say no. No. Because you know.
Then, if you say so, I have to think about it because I've not had this kind of experience.
Why are you talking to me? You are running. You're talking to me. You are running. Bianso. Yeah. Bianso. Oh, Otobugum. Lanya. Think about it. I'll get back to you. I'm happy again. Hey, look on Patea. Think about it too. Electra. Hi. Oh. But I want to get cool.
You're welcome.
Thank you. My mother said you people just returned from the city to the village.
Yes. And that is because my father just retired from civil service. Instead of staying in the city, spending so much money, he decided to come back to the village. Well, I was still waiting for our admission letters, me and my sister.
Okay, same here. See, why don't you just come to our house one of these days? At least we can share ideas and time together.
That's a good idea, but you see, anyone with silver spoon in the city. We are not used to visiting people. We're always on our own.
You're not too old to learn that. At least I can be your friend. Since you're here to make friends.
That's so nice of you. Thank you very much. And you seem like a nice person. Hope we're not feeling bored sitting here. Auntie, how can she feel bored when I'm here? Look at what she said. Look at what she said. How can she be bored sitting down with her sister?
Don't mind me.
Mama, how can I be bored when I'm with her? She's even paying us a visit. So.
Serious? Seriously? Yes, I will.
Hey, Mom. If I hear you well, this one that cannot even step out of the house.
Auntie, stop!
Don't mind your auntie.
You better learn how to move around though, so that your legs will not swell up.
They're not going to start moving. I'm starting from her. Okay. She promised to be teaching me when we had the gas in a village. About those rich boys, Magas. I'm sure you say you teach.
Don't mind her, she's just joking. Don't mind your auntie.
She's just joking. No problem.
You have to start there. Okay.
Take care of your mom.
My friend, give me a hug now. Thank you. Okay, bye.
Bye.
I'll come to your house soon. Okay, bye.
Oh, I'm so tired.
Auntie, she's such a nice person. She said I can visit her anytime I want to. And she'll be telling me happenings in this village. As if you can go. I'll go! I'll go. I now have a new friend.
You mean your sister did not say anything to you? Before leaving this house?
No, auntie, but I believe she will come back. She's not a child.
Small time, your father will start blaming me for incompetence.
Auntie, don't worry yourself. She will come back.
Oh. Yeah, Electric, where are you coming from?
I'm sorry, auntie. I went to see a friend and I lost track of time.
Oh. So now you are a kid that you lose track of time. Mbo Electric.
Auntie, forgive me, it will not happen again.
And who is this friend that I don't know? You're already seeing a boy in this village.
Must you know everyone?
Or must I know everyone?
Electric, you see your problem. When you start something, you will do it and do it over. Who knows that particular village boy now that must have captured you?
Okay. And I'm going to sleep because the person we are waiting for is not even doing as if we're waiting.
Oh, I have to go and sleep.
I am fine because that I have not come to say welcome back since you returned. It was Nena who just informed me yesterday. You forgot?
Oh, don't let that bother you. Don't let that bother you. Is that not
Mazio Keke's daughter, no, that small kid of yesterday.
She has grown.
Yes, so now welcome back.
Anyway.
Sorry, I have not come to say welcome. It was Nena who informed me about your arrival just yesterday.
Don't let that bother you.
Yes.
You know, I can't remember any time I visited the village that you were not there to visit. If not for anything, for the dry antelope meat. Yes. and the palm wine.
You're right. If you got that bush meat, the dry one, yes. For Salah. Oh, that is it. In fact, as you have said it now, I'm salivating. That is better of that
one. I actually came back because I have retired from the civil service. And I said, well, let me come back to the village, look around and see how I can be of service to the community.
Exactly the reason I wanted to see you. You see, our town union, the election is coming soon. I want you to go for an elective post. Your expertise will be of great importance to us. In fact, we will gain more from your expertise. Go in for it. That's why I want to talk to you.
This going into these local politics, will it not be stressful?
Says who? Is it as stressful as your civil service work? You did it for government and you retired successfully. Not everybody who had gone there survived and came back home alive. Here you are, alive. We need you. Come and do it. It's not stressful. What are you doing? You call for meeting. When you call for the meeting, we all respond. We want to build, have a project. Let us raise money. We raise money. Our children will come and raise the money. You are the chairman. I count the money with you. That is all it takes. The most important thing is that don't think about it. It is done. One, you are an expert. You have done it for government. Now this is our own community. You will continue doing it for us. Yeah.
Hey! What are you doing there? This is someone's orange.
Is this not village? I thought I should help myself with some fruits.
Okay, let me help you with one.
Don't bother yourself. Let me go home.
Wait. Okay, you know what? Let me escort you to your destination.
As in, escort me home?
Let me escort you home.
For what? As what? You barely know me.
Because I care. I'm trying to be romantic. Yes.
Your cup of tea.
What? Anywhere you go? Wait. Wait. Wow. Is this your house?
Yes, this is my house. And thank you very much for being a worthy escort.
Is it what you think I am?
What would you rather be?
See, you are beautiful. You're an epitome of beauty.
Seriously? Is that what you tell other girls in this village? Or Kiseji Shampoo Asafisi?
Are they crazy?
Anyway, I don't have time to make friends in this village. So,
where will I see you again? Just tell me where will I see you again?
I don't know where you will see my beautiful face again because I hardly leave this compound. So, let's leave it to fate. Whenever or wherever.
Wait. Okay. Please. Just, please. I like you. I want you to be my friend. You can tell me when we're going to see your face again so that
Have a nice day.
Because...
Nena.
One leg.
Omego.
Your food is ready. Come and eat.
Not now. Please, let me enjoy, this news. No?
Okay, if you say so. I hope you went well.
My dear, everything went smooth.
Tell me.
Everything went smoothly. I do not know if I am the only one that has been favored by the guards.
Tell me. They paid you the gratuity.
Everything. They paid me 30 million naira.
Hey, wait!
As soon as I went to the office and submitted my document, the man handed me over the check. He said yes. He gave me.
Hey! How? Keep catching me.
Are you shouting? Why are you shouting? You want them to come. Anyway, I have paid the money into a special account.
Hey, Umeh, this is time to do the real business. You know we can be taking a palm oil from our place here to the north to sell.
Nena.
Hey.
I am retired. I am retired. I do not have any desire whatsoever to begin to pursue business and collect 10 naira, 20 naira here. I don't have. I have put the money in trust for my children. Yeah, all I have.
I think you're right, my brother. You're right. Hey, I'm happy for you. Hey.
You don't know how to respect your channel. Take a nigga aja kita aja. Enggak. Itu. You eat. Iya aja. Eat. Enggak aja. Eat it. Stop it. Eat it. Iya aja. Yes.
Joan.
Leave me alone. What aja?
Joan.
Leave me alone.
Joan, stop it.
Please.
Stop it.
Leave me. What is wrong with you?
Leave me.
Stop it!
Leave me alone.
What? Joan!
Ozuka! Ozuka, come back.
Joan, what is your problem? What is it?
Electric. Just because I made a little joke with her. Obido na spark electric. Na spark. Omara na eji mummilie, eji ogwu ya. O spark rana nwunyo. Yes, that's what I did. I won your man neighbor now.
What is it? Electra, what is it? So your sister can no longer afford to joke with you? Your sister cannot afford to joke with you? Now, kneel down and apologize to your sister. You will not apologize to your sister. Okay. Joan, let's go.
Follow here. Follow back. Electric. No, is she coming Electric. Again? Is she coming again? Is she coming again? Look at you. You were on the floor.
It's all about play your card well. I don't know why you're doing this now. All for you.
Emeka, I don't know what you mean, oh. But don't take this as a game. Look at my go.
Wait, which game are you talking about? What kind of game? What kind of game? I didn't even know they were sisters. I didn't even know.
Now you know. Get the say.
Cutting is Matazian.
The best thing you should do now is to concentrate on the one you started with. I'm a one inch I get this, you know. But I'm not here. We're coming jumbo to.
Listen to me. Genti. There's no law in this country, this is our Nigeria, that says you must date only one sister. I say, pa! Let me tell you, if you play your card well, if you play it well, you go enter. You can appear. I am Ronaldo now, not for you. None of them will know that I'm going after each other. Over.
Emeka, you're selfish. You're selfish, Emeka. Well, who am I to stop you? After all, every lion is on his own.
Simple! That's what I want to hear from you. When I you say, shake. You know what? See, let me tell you. Okocha remains Okocha, Ronaldo remains Ronaldo. I will put connection between two of them. Not for you. Now we there now. How are you? Why am I partying anybody?
Emeka.
Ele. Elevo. Sugar baby. Pino moi. Shaku baby. Shaku baby. Shaku.
Cheat! Stupid man! I thought you said you loved me. Yet you are planning on dating my sister.
Electra, who is feeding you with these lies? I'm not dating your sister. Believe me, I am not.
Liar! You think I am blind? I saw you two with my eyes. And you were happy together.
I saw your sister, she was in danger. I'm trying to be a good Samaritan. I stayed out going home. Okay, will you expect us to be walking like zombie? No, now, that's the thing. It's because you just
Emeka, you are wicked.
Sister, you just
leave me.
Like this now. Piano.
Leave me.
Emeka,
I miss you have come again, no?
I miss your talk, your laugh.
You have come again,
everything. No? Even your baby. Come, let's go inside. Let me show you something. We are not doing anything. See, I missed everything about you.
Leave me.
I missed everything.
Leave me.
Come, let's go inside. Let me dance. Leave me.
My brother, there's something else I want us to talk about.
What is it?
Since my husband people threw me out of the house because of my husband's death, I think it's time I get something doing, at least to help myself. It's not when I need the ose, Pepe, I will come to you. I will need salt, I will come to you. At any time, I come to you for one thing or the other. At least I can be helping myself out. Eh? I suggest you find me some money. Let me start business.
That's okay. That's a good idea. Very good idea. But I don't have money now. I don't have money now. What about the money you collect from the sale of the palm fruits in my farm? Is it not enough?
Hey, oh, how do you expect such money to be enough now? Eh? If anything goes wrong in the house, I take care of repairs. I eat. I do so many expenses. Eh? You know everything. That money can never be enough.
I know, but I don't have any money now. I don't. The little money I have, my gratuity, is held in trust for my children.
Trust?
You see, they are the only ones I have. My daughters. They are my investment, actually.
Wait, I don't understand this trust you're talking about. Are you saying you have someone like me in this house and you go outside to give somebody money to keep for you?
One.
In case when you trust you don't trust me again.
It is not like that. That is not what I mean. What I mean is that the money I have is in the bank. It's in a fixed deposit. And the money is for my children, my daughters. So that when they finish their university education, they can use the money to start something. And find their bearing in life.
I now understand. It's okay.
Let me go inside.
It's okay. Take it easy.
This cough is taking all my strength from me.
Take it easy. Easy, eh? You need the rest. Oh, I'm not coming.
Who took my bucket? Electra! I'm sure it's that little witch that took my bucket. Electra! 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 Electra!
Why are you shouting my name like a mad dog?
Mwa!
Yes!
Mwa, mad
Yes,
dog!
you!
I have seen you have gone wacko. Allah Pubagoy. Why did you take my bucket?
Is your name written on this bucket?
Yes. My name is not written on it.
Get out!
In that case, none of us will wash. But we are not going to wash it like that. None of us. We are not going to wash. Hey, you want fight? I'll give you fight. I'll give you fight. Let me hear you. You want to fight? You want to fight? I'll deal with you. Next time, you don't do it. Come on. Where's the bucket?
we have turned to killing you in this house? Eh? And you electric. Your own is that at any moment you spark. Why? You want to kill, you want to do anything. Omenka, see your children. Let us go after the dark goat while the sun shines. I've said my...
And both of you, how many times have I warned you not to fight in this house again?
That is not me. Ask this Ochaka Omaka, Uriede. She's the one that started it. And I'll be electric. You see an elbow and I spark. I always quench you when you spark. Before God.
Liar! You slapped me first. Daddy, see my hair. See my what? See my body.
Daddy, see my own. See my own blood more than I wife for a million. Wicked soul. You witch. Witch!
Will you stop?
And I'll be electric. You see an elbow. In a spark. In spark. I will always quench you.
Yeah, wait. Yes.
I said stop it! Okay. Now, both of you go into the house. I don't want to hear any more noise in this house again. Get in!
Ogucha. Eh? Is that all you have to say? You are the one spoiling these children. Honestly, you are.
Udogu, I understand your plight over that. Amaka, you're just coming back with this water. Will you fly inside now and prepare my food?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry. I understand your disappointment.
That's your last child.
My last daughter. Amaka, I forgot. No, nonsense. I understand your confusion and the disappointment over your children. You see, it is normal. It's normal. It's a phase. Everything will pass. Don't worry.
Iche, I brought up my children to be responsible. And I don't want to believe that it is this village that has influenced them negatively.
I don't think so. Have you forgotten how I and my younger brother used to fight back those days? Yeah.
It's true.
Here we are today.
Back then, you both were like cat and rat.
Oh.
Now, see how close you are. Even closer than your wife.
You see? So your daughters, we can never be an exception. Give them time. With time, it's a phase. It will pass. Trust me. Amaka.
Electra. My baby. Why are you wearing this kind of face? What is the problem?
I want someone to be taken care of.
Taken care of? Okay. If I may ask, who is the person?
My sister. I want you to make sure she never returns.
Hey. Now you are talking. Remember, nothing goes for nothing. Nothing goes for nothing. You have tramia now. You hear me? Is it a deal?
Emeka, I am not a kid. Just do what I ask, and it will not be a problem.
That is what I'm saying. Deal or no deal?
Do what I ask.
No.
Do what I ask first. It will not be a problem.
Simple. The game is over. See you.
Hey!
I'm going out.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to the market to buy some personal things.
Okay, in the market. If you have some money left, please buy me cola nut for my guests.
Daddy, you know, G. It's not for your guests anything. You like cola nut. I'll buy for you. Huh?
Okay. Have a nice day.
You too.
Where can she be? For heaven's sake, where is this girl? I'm so worried. Where is Joan? Where can she be?
Oh, Omeka, my brother, take it easy, relax. Hey, you're getting me nervous. I don't like it.
You're telling me to take it easy? Joan is not here. She's been gone for so long. I mean, I've lost count on where to locate her.
I am worried too. Eh? Can't you see? I'm worried. I'm worried.
Okay. Now, look. The worst part is that I've been trying to call her number. Okay, let me call it again. Now, you will see what I'm talking about. I've been calling it for the past 2 hours. Okay. Not reachable.
Yeah, Electra.
I heard you people discussing and I decided to come out.
Thank God you're here. Do you have idea where your sister might be?
My sister? Joan is gone and she can take care of herself. Is that why you people are here disturbing yourself over nothing?
Please, I'm going back inside.
I mean, she doesn't care where her sister is. Electra does not... She's not bothered where her sister might be.
I told you.
Just look at Electra. Look at her. She doesn't care where her sister would be at this time of the day. What is wrong? What is happening?
Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
Shut up your mouth! Shh! Shut up! You didn't come here to complain. Idiot.
I don't talk. I don't reason things. How this girl don't open your pattern for this place? I don't reason you. But we wait this girl. But wait that. Me man for don't cover. Who just call this girl come out?
Yes, shield.
You say they talk, Abi? Oh, Master, do something. Do something.
You guys should do it. Shield. Shh. I just shut up. What's wrong with you?
Don't kill me, I'm innocent, don't kill me.
Shut up.
I don't offend anybody. Oh.
Shut up your mouth, oh.
Guess. Come. Let's go. Come.
You see me? Please. I'm innocent.
Someone come cover that mouth. I don't the reason, no. This is my knife. I want it for something.
Baby, shield now. Come.
I don't they talk hard. You don't know what I'm saying.
Calm down.
Calm down.
I've done that before now. Okay.
Hey! Okay. Hey, I did take it.
Wonderful player. Umeh. Who is she? Why don't you go ahead and make the formal introduction? That
Yes. It's not what you think.
So now you know what I think.
Wait, I don't understand. Why don't you go ahead and tell me who this thing is?
Are you referring to me as this thing?
Leave you want to her! Electra! Leave her! You just want to follow this girl now? Hey! Oh! How did this thing at the talker? Say smoke, but you want to make soup now. Say as it be. Hey! Oh! Where is the wrong go? Oh! Come on! Imama, Imela, oh. Imama Imela, Imama Imela, oh Imama.
Auntie, good afternoon.
The electric, come back here. Where are you coming from? Where have you been?
Auntie, I'm no longer a kid. So don't address me as one.
Auntie, you remain a child in this house until you get married and pack into a man's house. That is when I know that you are no longer under my own control. Eh?
Auntie, marriage or no marriage, I am no longer a kid. And I know what I'm saying.
Come here. Come here, Electric. Electric. Come back. Come and send food to your dad, though. Come back and take food to your father. I don't have time for this your nonsense and madness. If you put a madness, keep it to yourself. Mama, oh, Mama, Imela. Mama. I will see.
Excuse me. Hello?
Yes, how can I help you?
Do you live around this vicinity? I think I've been seeing you around.
I'm sorry, I don't talk to strangers. Excuse me.
Hello, excuse me, please. Just pardon my manners. Huh? My name is Benson. Actually, I've been seeing you around, and if you don't mind, I would like to know more about you.
All right. My name is Joan. So, what do you want to know about me?
Actually, I just I want to know more about you. And if you don't mind, I would like to pay an honest visit to your house.
Are you serious? You just met me and you want to pay an honest visit to my house just like that? Do you know me before?
I don't mean any harm. You know, you're such a beautiful girl, and I would like to know your parents, get to know more about you. That is why I want to pay an honest visit to you.
All right, good luck with that, because I'm not giving you my house address. Excuse me.
Excuse me? Hello? Joan, I still don't understand why you don't want me to come see your parents.
It's not like I don't want you to come and see my parents. But like I told you before, I want to go to school first. I want to become a graduate before entering any man's house. Please.
There is no problem about that. No problem. I told you I will see you through school. I will do anything for you.
You will?
I swear.
Auntie, Auntie, come and see what I've been telling you with your two eyes. Auntie, I have been telling you that Joan is a prostitute. You refuse to listen. Auntie, Joan is out there kissing and romancing a man in public. What Joan does in this village is one day one man. Today is Emeka, tomorrow Chigozie. Public.
Where else go?
One day one man.
Take me to
today Emeka, tomorrow Chigozie.
Where's my slippers?
Auntie, come and see. Come and see.
Okay, but you still have to allow me think about it.
It's alright. I'll give you the time to think about it. But I just want you to count on me, okay?
Okay. I'll count it.
I promise I will never let you down.
What is happening here?
Auntie, not to know. You just...
You already adjust. You have
Auntie,
gotten
you see
to
what
just.
I've been telling you.
Hey, you shut up!
One day, one man.
You think...
What are you doing with my dress?
Auntie, as you can see, he was not doing anything with me. In fact...
We're friends.
Your friend?
Yes.
He wants marriage, marriage.
Yeah.
When we get to the house, we'll talk about marriage. Huh?
Yesterday it was Chigozie. Marriage.
Auntie, marriage.
Move. I don't want to see you anywhere close to her. Did that get into your head?
Please,
And Auntie...
This one is the
Please,
fifth
what
man
is
you
your
want
problem?
to see.
What is your problem?
How many will you marry? How many will you marry?
You think I'm you that sleeping? He wants to marry me. He wants to marry me.
Good afternoon, Daddy.
Oh, Electra.
Daddy.
Good afternoon.
Daddy, I need little assistance from you.
How much do you need?
5,000, Daddy.
You don't know I'm a titled man. You'll be telling me all those things here. Okay.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy.
Learn how to manage money or Electra. Money is not always there.
a small thing. No?
Thank you for seeing me off. Please, when you go in there, greet them for me. What do you call Electra and Joan? Greet them, tell them I came. Oh, I have to be going. Why is your face like this now?
My sister, you don't know what I'm going through. Honestly, those girls are horrible. I am telling you. Do you know the things they used to do before? Love each other, do things together. This time, you can never see them doing it again.
No digging is it? Hey, but you have to try settling the rifts between them.
I. Oh, so you want them to break my head up here? It's not possible. I never know people in the city are tigers. I am just seeing it in my brother's house.
Hey. Anyway, they are still children. I believe they will overgrow it.
At this age, those girls that are old enough to be in their husband's house, you call them children. My sister, I think when you get to the church, please talk to your pastor. They need deliverance.
See, the meeting has started. I have to run around.
No problem.
See you.
On them.
Hi. How are you?
What can I do for you?
Actually, I am Benson and I am here to...
I already know your name. Please go straight to the point. Why are you disturbing this neighborhood with your car horn?
I have an appointment with Joan. Please, can I see her?
Do you know you don't have shame in your entire life?
I beg your pardon.
Because if you do, you will not be asking after a cheap prostitute.
I mean, why are you accusing your sister of being a prostitute? What has she done to you?
I'm helping your life and you're talking nonsense.
You should stop saying this to your sister.
If she's not a prostitute, then why is she not at home?
I think you're wicked. This thing you're doing is not good. Prostitute.
When you finish cooking, give me 3 pieces of meat. Wait. Ogene, what is it? What are you looking for?
Hey! My mother will kill me today.
What happened?
Do you know I forgot the meat?
The meat we bought.
I need to go back there and get it.
That market is far. My legs are paining me. Okay, let's go.
Go? No, you need to wait here for me.
I'll be waiting for you. I'll just look for somewhere and sit and wait for you.
Do well, be fast. Just wait, okay? Alright.
Chigozie! Chigozie!
Hi! Juju, is this you?
It's me!
Jesus! You are looking good.
You are the one that is looking good.
It's been a while, my dear. Don't mind me.
Have your guy settled you?
My dear, I came for the settlement.
He came for the settlement?
You.
Are you already looking good? Look at your chain. They got a gold watch.
You know it's
They got that.
Nkendi mbukana.
My kukum. You are looking good. I heard you came back from the city.
Yes, so we are not in the village. No, my father is retired, so we are in the village.
How is that your sister?
My sister is fine.
So what are you doing here?
I'm waiting for my friend Chinelo. We are coming back from the market, but she forgot the meat she bought in the market.
Anokwa. Ojibuche.
Ojibuche, you know now we are discussing. Okay.
I think her sister might be right. She a prostitute.
Yeah, you are looking good.
What do you expect now? We came from the city. I should be looking very good.
City. Now job is easy. You know our job now. Money.
Chukudi.
Hey, baby.
So you came back?
My dear, I came back.
He's coming for a settlement though. He's not a big boy. Look at
My dear, sorry.
Okay, so you are going to.
I'm going to go and see my organ.
Okay, no problem. But he will settle you.
Bye.
What happened? You wasted.
I'm sorry. Do you know I went there? That woman was not there. I needed to wait for her to come. Sorry.
But finally, the meat is here.
The meat is here.
I'm making one blow, 7 apples.
Get up! I say I don't want to see you close to my house again. You! Listen, let me tell you.
I'm sorry.
I don't want to see you.
I'm sorry. I didn't do anything.
When I met you, I thought I have found a wife.
Yeah, I'm a wife.
I thought I have found my missing ring.
I'm the missing ring.
But I never knew you were a cheap prostitute.
No, I'm not a prostitute.
My friend, get out from here. Get out. Get out. Get out.
I'm not a prostitute.
Come on, get out from here. I don't want to see you close to my house again. I don't want to see you. Everything your sister told me is true. You're just a cheap prostitute. I was even coming to see you and I saw you messing around with one brat. He was romancing all over your body.
No, romance. No. Nobody was romancing me. Maybe you didn't see where. You should have removed your glasses.
I said you should go. Are you mad? Come on, get out. Get out. Prostitute. That is how you people sleep around with men.
Listen. I'm a virgin. If you're here, I'm a virgin.
You.
Because I'm a virgin. I'm not a prostitute.
Never said. Let me just see you close to my house again. You see what I want.
I'm sorry.
Joan. Joan, what is it? Who beat you, my child? Where did you? Eh? Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
We're busy talking, and this is so delicious.
So your sister walked in here crying. Oh, the only thing you know is to eat. You could not even care to attend to her, know what her problem is.
That is not my business. Better enjoy yourself.
Electric. Honestly, your heart is too strong. Eh? See the way you eat, is your father hid his money in the bank. Eh? Where here now? Not considering the way you eat. Electric. No problem. Let me check and know what is happening to my daughter.
Hi.
Chinelo. Harry.
Joan.
When did you come back?
I came back last night.
Where is Chinelo?
Chinelo is not around. She traveled to the city this morning. Please come sit down, please. Look at Joan. You don't seem alright. What is the problem?
It's nothing. It's nothing. Don't worry. Don't bother yourself.
Oh no, something is wrong. Those happy lines on your face, each time you used to smile, are no longer there. I cannot see the lines on your face.
Henry Biakwa, which one is happy lines?
Happy lines are those lines that you normally see on people's faces. Each time they are happy. Those lines are no longer there. Look at it.
Henry, I'm not happy. I'm heartbroken. I'm depressed. I needed to talk to somebody. That's why I came here to talk to Chinelo. I didn't know she traveled.
Chinelo is not around, okay? But I'm here. Let me be your alibi. Feel free to talk to me, okay? I'm all ears. That is it. The line is out now. That's the line I was talking about.
Thank you.
Now tell me, what is it?
Look. First of all, how is school?
School is good. No, normal hustle. A little bit boring. Lecturers stressing us out. So how is life with you?
Just there. Let's talk about you.
Playboy. I want you. I want. You appear.
It's not a laughing matter, you're laughing.
It's a laughing matter, my friend. Listen to me. I want you. You didn't listen to me. Get a monte.
Sit down. Let me talk.
I'm sitting down already, Emeka. Listen to me, Emeka. You're my friend. I won't lie to you. You cannot eat your cake and have it back. Never. You are lucky, the only fault. Soon, how do you they will share blood. And how the police are where I show everywhere.
Is it what I wish me?
Wish.
Is it what I wish me?
My wish or yours?
Back to sender. Back to sender.
Now I
know your plans. Now I know your plans. Do you know what? Listen, from today henceforth, you know what? OYO on your own.
Remain where you are. Let me where you are. Emeka, look at you.
Remain where you are. Let me remain where I am.
I wish you for parties. Emeka, come now. Playboy, look at him.
I wonder where this hatred that both of you have for each other, where it came from. Electra.
Yes, Dad.
Joan.
Dad.
Before we relocated to the village, both of you were an epitome of what and how sisters should be and live. Many parents admired you. and wished that you were their own children. In fact, they used both of you to give examples to their own children of how sisters, how siblings should live together. I don't know how you got to this point that you are now at each other's throat at the slightest provocation. Electra.
Yes, Dad.
Joan.
Daddy.
Dad, what am I going to do with this?
I give it to you, so hold it. Electra.
Yes, Dad.
I want you to take a broomstick from the bunch and break it.
Dad, that is very easy.
Start here, my friend. You do like what I don't know.
Very easy, Dad.
Very easy. Very well done. Jean, I want you to break the entire bunch in one go.
Dad, how is that even possible? I can't possibly break. Dad, this is frustrating. I can't break it. Ow.
Now that's the lesson I want you to learn. There is power in unity. There is power in togetherness. There is power in love. Together, no one can break you. No one can divide you. No one can come between you. But individually, singly, you can easily be broken. This is the lesson I want you to learn. And I want you to think about it in your quiet moment. I know a time would come when you would long to hear my voice about this. And I hope when that time comes, it would not be too late. Have a nice day. Joan! Joan! Joan!
Dad, you're back already.
Got good news for you.
Good news. Ayaki Nwoye. Tell me the good news. Let me start dancing or singing, clapping.
Okay, open this.
I should open it.
Yeah.
Daddy, are you sure it's not bomb? Oh my god! Oh my god! I believe that admission! Thank you! Admission to read medicine! Oh god! I'm so happy,
Congratulations.
I have to go and tell my friends. I have to get them. No, let me go to my friend.
Congratulations.
Chinelo! Henry, where's Chinelo? I thought he said she'll be back today.
She's back already.
Where's Chinelo? Look at it yourself.
Wow! Not for your eyes, oh, Mr. Man.
What is wrong with you now? Is it a love letter? This is an admission letter, not a love letter.
I'm so happy for you.
I'm so happy for you, dear.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
Oh my God! I thought you had forgotten us. I'm so happy.
I'm happy for you. Admission.
Yes.
You've been granted admission into the university.
Yes, so we are looking at an undergraduate.
And now you'll be like me. And lecturers will start giving you stress.
No, they're not giving me stress. I'll not allow them to give me stress.
You know what?
See, on my way to this place, they started drizzling, but I said I must come and show you my bed.
You don't mean it.
I'm happy for you, my dear friend.
You know what?
Yes.
Let me excuse you too to do your armor dance.
Yes. Like
Alright, come back once again.
I'm so happy.
I'm happy for you too.
Just like that.
So very
to read medicine, did you see? Not just ordinary admission, medicine. Medicine. Hey.
It's the Lord.
I am so happy.
What is the matter with you? I greeted you, you refused to talk to me. What did I do wrong? Is everything okay? Daddy, talk to me, I'm worried. Please.
Electra, I want to be left alone.
Daddy, what is it? What is happening? For the first time, my dad refused to talk to me. What did I do wrong? Or is anything troubling him? No. Dad!
So Chief, how are your daughters? I presume you are enjoying your retirement.
I don't know what my answer to that question should be. Whether to say they are getting better or they are getting worse. Barrister, I am a very sad man.
No, Chief, don't say that. I know very well that you are enjoying your retirement in the village. The village is quiet. You can't compare the village with the city here, where everywhere is noisy, hustling and bustling. I mean, no, you are enjoying yourself.
Barrister, I am not. I am not a happy man.
How?
My daughters.
What about your daughters?
My daughters, they fight each other at the slightest provocation. They quarrel, they nag at each other, they tear each other. In fact, I don't know what I'm doing here, standing here, when I should be at home to monitor what they are doing.
Has it gotten to that?
It's worse than that.
I know your daughters to be, close to each other. They love each other.
Barrister, they are one enemy now.
Really? Then you separate two of them. placed them in different locations.
Their place is with me until their admission to the university is assured.
Well, in that case, he's all right. Chief, are you all right? Chief, are you okay? Chief, please somebody help me, please. Chief, somebody help me, please. Chief, can somebody help me?
You're welcome. Electra, I was about coming to wake you up from sleep. Our visitor here said he has something to tell all of us.
Auntie, where is Daddy?
Your daddy went out. He's not yet back. I don't even know exactly when he'll be back.
That is why I am here. I am Barrister Nelly Ike, your father's attorney.
Barrister, you're welcome to our house.
Thank you.
As you can see, our father is not around. He left for the city and we are not sure if he will be returning today.
He will not be returning today.
Barrister, how did you know that?
I plead with you all to accept this message with a very strong heart.
Message?
Take which message with a strong heart? What are you saying, Barrister? How did you know that our father will not be returning today? Barrister, what is going on? You're scaring us.
Your father is dead.
What? Barrister, please, if this is a joke, please, stop it.
What did you just say?
But Barrister, you can't be serious.
That is why I came, so that we'll start planning for his burial.
Barrister, are you serious? Is he serious?
Hey!
Are you serious? Are you being serious? What? Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Let me call Daddy. Hey. What is going on here?
My own father dead? No.
Let me get my phone and call.
He said he's coming.
Barrister.
What? My father?
No, this is not true! Barrister, because my father is no more.
I don't see my father again. My father is gone just like that. Just take Sorry, just take it easy. I know how you feel.
You don't know how I feel! You don't know how I feel! My father is dead! He's not coming back! He's no more! No. Papa! Papa, why did you do this to me? Why did you do this to us?
It's okay.
You guys should leave me alone! Leave me alone! My husband!
It's okay, Mama, it's okay. Mama, calm down, calm down.
My own brother! My husband! The only man in my life!
Mama, just calm Calm down. Calm down. It will be fine. All will be well. All will be well. Calm down, eh? Please don't give yourself attention. Calm down. Enough.
What do I do?
God.
You guys should leave me alone.
Hello, man. I want to debate. Oh, debate.
Sorry. Calm down, eh? Calm down.
Stop me and come out of my face. Please, let me ask again. Eh? Because he that asks never misses his way. Can you please explain better? Because everything you have been saying here is not making sense to me.
All right. Your brother, their father, left a standing instruction that his body will not be tampered.
Yeah. Does he want to stay forever in the mortuary?
I don't think he meant that. He left me with a standing instruction before his body will be committed to Mother Earth.
What instructions, if we may ask, Barrister?
We? Please speak for yourself. You are free to ask your own questions.
And who was talking to you? Was I talking to you, Iluoba?
Barrister, please leave these two girls. Eh? Everybody have heard the news of his death and they are expecting his burial.
He left a standing instruction that should be adhered to and his will read before everybody.
Barrister, please go straight to the point.
Well, your father, before he gave up the ghost, left these instructions. And they go this way. He said that both of you from now henceforth should remain in one room for the next 1 month. He said that starting from now, he expects both of you to start eating, dining, cooking in one plate. He said that both of you should sleep in one bed and will equally hang out together.
Onyegonu Hamma, he has given them knife to kill themselves. They will automatically kill themselves and die away.
He equally said that both of you should start bathing together.
Hey boy.
Bathe, eh? Bathe together as lovers or as gene. Gekwanti, let me tell you, if I see you near where I'm taking my bath, who
wants to be close to you?
Well, he said that if his instructions are not adhered with, you will lose your inheritance. And he left the sum of 30 million naira for each of you. He said that he loves both of you and wishes the best for both of you. Your brother is late. His instructions must be carried out before his body will be committed to Mother Earth according to his wish.
Barrister, 30 million.
I wish all of you a wonderful evening. Permit me to take my leave. All right.
Let you because you are chasing me.
Stop! I don't stop doing this. They make me feel scared.
So, what are you going to eat today?
Okay, porridge jam.
Porridge jam? No! Let's eat jollof rice with plenty chicken and pepper.
Okay, let's say porridge jam for afternoon. Jollof rice.
That's carbohydrate. It's not balanced. No! Jollof rice, then vegetable at night.
Like
agreed. Alright, close your eyes. I want to tell you something. Close your eyes. Eyes. Close. Okay. Now you have to look for me. If you see me, you will eat the biggest chicken.
Wow. Okay. Oh, stop now. Come close, please. Wow.
Keep looking for me. I'm somewhere here.
Oh, I'm tired.
Keep looking for me. Look, I'm this way. I'm here. Okay. Now, I'm going to get you.
Yeah.
I'm getting you.
Okay.
I'm hearing this voice.
Okay.
I'm hearing your voice this side.
Okay.
I'm hearing this side. I can catch you. I catch you.
Joan, what are you trying to do?
I'm not trying to do anything, Electra. Daddy is dead. I want us to do the right thing. His last wish. Please.
Daddy is dead and he's never coming back. I want you to get that into your head.
Please, my sister. I want us to do the right thing.
Joan, it's like you want us to wake up the whole village. Joan, get out of this room now. Else!
Electra, listen to me. Listen to me, please. I want you to listen to me. Let's make things right. Please.
For the last time, get out! Get out!
Electra. Electra, why don't you want to see reasons with me? Remember how we used to play hide and seek with Daddy? Anytime we want something from him. Please, my sister. Stop making this more difficult than it is already. Wait, I'm talking to you.
Oh! You slapped me! Next time will be worse than this. Ewo.
So you want your sister to break my head off, eh? Eh? Look and leg, body, and when kimchi. How can I stand electric? She will shock me and I will die.
Auntie, I'm surprised at you. Don't tell me you are afraid of Electra. Yeah, Electra of yesterday. Auntie, just go in there, scold her, order her around, do whatever it takes for her to come around and do what her father wants us to do. Your brother.
Listen, don't even bother thinking to be in good terms with her. Don't. After all, you've tried and it didn't work.
Do you know that Electra slapped me? I didn't do anything. Yes. She slapped me ordinarily, you know me. But I didn't. For the sake of peace, for the sake of our father, I didn't do anything. So I expect you to do something so that our father will be buried. He can't remain in the morgue forever. Please.
You're right, but I believe God will touch that lawyer. He will forget all about all these things and allow us bury our dead.
Auntie, this is unfair. This is so unfair to our father.
Okay, it's all right. I will try my best. It's not like I don't want to try. Electrical shocking the woman.
I'm fine. It's nothing more, just a little family issue, but it's okay. So how are you? How is work? How is everything?
Joan!
I'll call you back.
Joan! Yes? What is it?
Who gave you the right to discuss me with Auntie Lena?
And what did she tell you that I discussed with her? Listen, as you can see, I am not in the mood, so respect yourself and go back to where you're coming from.
Oh, Joan, I am talking to you and you are pressing your phone.
And listen to me. The next time you will talk to me like that, I will give you the beating of your life. I left you when you slapped me because I wanted peace. I can see you want pieces. It's right also. I'll pieces you. Leave my hand, idiot. Fool.
Devil.
Why are you shouting?
A dream, just a dream. Just a dream. A dream. Come inside. Follow me. Come inside. Come inside!
Just a dream and she's shouting and trembling. Auntie!
It has no meaning. Except your brother wanted to give you a message.
Message to who? I got the one he sent through his lawyer. You know my brother is this stubborn type. Why come to disturb my sleep? Naturally, tell me why my brother has to leave such instruction.
I don't understand that one, no. Ule Fifi. Ule Fifi. Afternoon dream, to me, has no meaning. Sister, what about the daughters? Hope they will reconcile.
Why? Why must they reconcile? Oh, if my brother wants me to clean up his mess, then he has something else coming. Nationally, Do you know, of all my efforts, my brother refused to give me 1 naira to start up a business. Eh?
Nkeneme.
Hey. He saved everything for his arrogant daughters.
Oh.
Now, Kambruzibu, he clean in your honor. Please leave that. Close that topic and go into something else. Let's talk another thing, please.
Get up from there. Get up. Let me
What is it?
lie down. What is it?
Let me get up. What is the devil?
Get out of here.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Wicked soul.
You are the one that is wicked. Look at you. Akuna. Village prostitute.
I'm like, there one man. All the men in the
house is one man. Your own is 1 hour, 1 man, 1 minute, 1 man.
Like you.
You are the one that is wicked.
I am not like you.
And you don't talk to me anyhow. If you talk to me anyhow, I will kill you. If you talk to me anyhow, I will kill you. I will talk to you. I want
to this. Come on, put it down. Put it.
Idiot.
What's wrong with you?
Villager, Nwoye.
You think I'm like
public toilet?
Prostitute.
That is
you all the men. You are shaking it because that is all you have. You have given to
Are you not saying to here? Please sit down.
She doesn't have respect. She doesn't have respect.
And you sit.
Keep quiet. No home training.
Keep quiet and sit down. I said both of you should sit down. What's the meaning of this?
Apuna ten kobo.
You see?
Okay.
You know how to me. Just you know how I used to
my presence.
Mma to jiggy kita. I think I know blood. Mma to jiggy. They had to mind herself.
Sit down. Sit down, I said.
You're calling me a tinga. You think fatness is healthy?
Both of you should be ashamed of each other. Oh, I am highly disappointed in you girls. I am disappointed. How come you girls are into this? Why are you behaving like this? Why are you misbehaving? Eh? Listen, let this be the last time such will ever take place in this house. Do I make myself clear? Let me sound it as a warning. Let this not repeat itself again. Do I make myself clear? Am I not talking to somebody?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Better. By the way, where is Nana? Where is your auntie? Is she not at home? Where is Nana? Nana! Is she not at home?
Ewo, barrister. You are here.
This is unbelievable. You are in this very house and both of them are killing each other.
Are they killing themselves? How they didn't do?
Is that a question?
They are alive. And if for any reason they are killing themselves, what is my business about that?
Really? This is unbelievable. So this is coming out from you, Nina. I'm not only disappointed in you, I'm equally disappointed in you.
Better, Okakwamma. Be disappointed in both of them. Not I, Nena. Eh?
So, because your father is late, that is why both of you want to turn this house upside down. Both of you want to kill yourselves. When your father was alive, he was talking vehemently how you girls were showing love to each other. Now look at what you girls have turned yourselves into. This is not encouraging. I am so disappointed. Please! What's the meaning of this? Where did you bring such attitude? I mean, where did you learn such? Who is influencing both of you? I know that love is always the best. Both of you should learn to show love to each other. Return to the attitude both of you were known for. Please.
Barrister, I was busy inside before you called me. Please let me go and continue with what I was doing.
What did you say?
Let me ask. Oh, Makogwa, is it because of this fight that you came?
No, I didn't come because of the fight. I actually came to see you. I want to relate with you concerning your late brother.
Biko, Kiliwi. This particular one will kill you in Machu. Electric, or spark.
Fire extinguisher, auntie. I am fire extinguisher. If she sparks like electric,
Also, I will extinguisher. Go inside. Let me hear him. Go inside.
I don't want to hear any noise in that room.
Go. You can continue from where you stopped.
Why are you encouraging them?
I don't know why you're here, but you can sit down and tell me if you say it has to do with my brother's death.
So,
Chinelo, this granite tastes very nice. What did you buy it from? It's better than the one you bought for me last time.
It's from Mama Gata.
Mama Gata? You know what? From now on, you may buy me granite from Mama Gata's place, yeah?
You give me money.
How much is it? I'll give you money now, sure. Chinelo, I really feel for Joan. From the look of things, I think she would love to make peace with her sister, Electra. But Electra is a hard nut to crack. I guess Rike is strong, she's hard.
That is true. That's exactly how you predicted. Rome wasn't built in a day.
See? I said it, people were just thinking I was joking. I told you that Rome was not built in a day. Okay, I think we should help Joan in this case. Why don't we talk to Electra and make her see reasons why she should make peace with her sister Joan?
Don't involve yourself, brother. That's a family issue. Don't involve yourself. She's very saucy.
I agree. I'm a man. I'll go and talk to her alone. I believe I'll make her see reason and she will make peace with her sister. Ma Joka, she's a very bad girl.
But don't finish this granite too.
What? Was I not the one that requested for the granite in the first place? What's that? That is why I have come. What happened to that love the both of you share together? That love that dwells in between the both of you each time you visit the village. We all look up to the both of you. What has happened to that love? That kind of love that I've never seen before.
Henry, so you have the guts to gossip about me.
You know that is not true now. Electra, I haven't come to gossip about you. Besides, we are family friends. And your father was a kind and good man. And why can't you just be like your father? What?
Get out! I said get out! I said get out! And if Joan sent you to me, you tell her she has seen nothing yet. By the time I am through with her, she will regret having me as a sister.
Electra, take it easy, life. Sorry.
Stupid boy.
Nana, we are here because Asna, okay, Hanara no, Ewa mono boy. Huh?
Our brother's death is a big blow to us. And our pain is the children not being considerate at all. Again,
we all believe that these children are well trained.
Of course.
Considering the importance of our tradition.
Yes.
Chief Omenka is a titled man, we all know. Thus, he deserves a befitting burial.
Yes.
Eh? Nana, what is the bone of contention here? Why can't they do as Chief has instructed, so that his soul can rest in peace?
Oh. My elders, you are welcome. In fact, I am happy you are here. As you know, my brother's children are my own children. Okay? Look at them. They are grown-ups, so they can speak for themselves.
All right then. What is the problem? Don't you want your father to be buried so he can rest in peace? Don't keep us waiting, please.
Talk! Eh? You girls should talk. Okay. Maybe you can start fighting so that the elders will know exactly what I've been talking about. Oh no, Ogo! Kahamara ihane ukopia. Hanoru no.
Eh? It is that fight that they used to fight that brought us here.
This house is battlefield. War front, war zone.
Listen to me. We are giving both of you 24 hours to sort whatever issues that is between two of you.
Electric.
Allow us to bury our dead.
Did you hear that? 24 hours.
Eh? And allow us to bury our dead.
24 hours.
24 hours. No, no matters. You want to take
24 hours.
Eh? My elders, I brought cola for you. You see?
If the elders have taken their stand, you both have to breeze off for some real punishment. If you disobey them.
Tell you something. What do you want me to do? You want me to bow down for Electra? Small Electra. I'll hurt her. How dare you?
Sister.
She's the one causing all these troubles. Eh? Because she's tiny. She'll be provoking me. Resulting to all these quarrels and fighting every day here and there. Eh? If not that she's my sister, I would have separated her head from her body. Know me. Harry, I didn't know you were around. Are you going out?
Yes, I'm going out. I want to rush to the market to get some items for our mother.
Oh, okay. Don't just keep me waiting. And why are you dressed like this?
So, because I'm going to the market, I should not dress well, Abi.
Sorry, you don't mind her. You're handsome, you're handsome.
You're becoming to be a bully. What's wrong with you now? Alright, I'll see you, okay?
Alright, take care. Bye-bye. So, my dear, it's not my fault, though.
So, what will you do now?
We, the elders, have been waiting to hear from you. To know on the progress so far.
What progress are you talking about now?
What kind of question are you asking me? I mean, your late brother's corpse is still in the mortuary. And he gave out instruction to be carried out. We, the elders, still waiting to hear from you.
Instruction? He gave instruction to his children, not me. Not I, Nena. Eh? And these children of his are no longer kids. Or are you expecting me to chase them around to do what I, Nena, want them to do?
But you are like a mother to them.
Hey! Oh, Obia. I am not their mother, and you know it. Yes, you know it, Inani. Biko, I beg you in the name of God, don't let me say things that you don't want to hear. Eh? If they want to kill themselves, no problem.
Nena.
It's not my business.
Nenna.
9. I don't want anybody to call my name in this matter. Are you hearing me? I don't want anybody to mention my name at all. I don't want it. So, the simple thing here is this. Omenka can be buried and every other person can live his or her lives. I want to go and start cooking. I believe you can find your way out. You heard me right. Kisibia enawa.
Nenna. Mwaka Nenna na agboku na adu aka na ntị. Ngwa nsogbu adịla.
Oh, Biko. Barrister, wait. Please, don't be annoyed, Barrister. I believe you're in a haste.
Oh yes, I am, but I have time.
Please, are you serious over what you said concerning these girls reconciling before my brother will be buried?
Well, madam, that is the law and the wish of the deceased.
How do you think that is going to be possible? What about these girls killing themselves before time? You know they can kill themselves, so the way they are going.
We don't pray for such. But if eventually happens, as the only surviving relative, we'll have no other choice than to hand over what he left behind. We will inherit everything he left behind.
My brother. Okay. It's alright, lawyer. Safe trip to the city now.
It's alright. But do us a favor. Make sure that the girls live up to the bidding of their late father's burial.
No problem, I will do that.
Thank you. Thank you, madam.
Bye, yo. Thank you. Bye-bye. People are giving me problems. Omeka gave instruction to his children, not I. Now.
Madam, if you must know, you don't need any instruction to take care of your nieces. They are your direct responsibilities, and that's exactly what your brother expects from you.
My lawyer, my brother never mentioned my name anywhere in all his instructions. And this my brother now that is head-bent in pushing his children to me is the same brother of mine that refused to give me one dime for me to start up a business that could have helped me. Even help me to sustain these children now. Have you seen how everything has turned out?
Where are the girls?
How am I supposed to know where they are? Okay, no. All best to their nests.
Okay. All right. We hope for the best.
I'll kill you today. You this stupid girl. I'll put inside this water. You want to Shut up, Stop it! You're dead. Please don't kill us. See, we are best of friends.
Shoma, we like each other.
We love each other. We love each other. Don't kill us. Don't kill us. Please don't kill us. Come.
Forgive us.
See, we love ourselves.
We love each other.
Don't kill us. Don't kill us. Don't kill us.
Don't kill us, Papa, please. Daddy, please don't kill us. We are friends.
Imagine the shame both of you are bringing to yourselves and your family. Chief, I told you that they are killing each other. It is time for you to take control of your family. For both of you. We'll go to the house. I have something to tell both of you.
Barrister, how come you are with our late father? Are you also a ghost? Don't tell me name. Is he a ghost?
Come and have your hair.
No.
I will not go close to him. I will not go close to him.
Oh, he's coming. Daddy, we will not fight again, I promise. We will not fight again. Daddy, we are best of friends now. Come in now! Run!
Chief, this is too risky. Yes. How can you fake your death, Chief? It could cause more harm than good.
Barrister, there is no harm in trial. I want to have a peaceful home. I want to have a home where peace and tranquility reigns supreme.
And what if in the course of doing that, you meet war, Chief? Yes.
Barrister, let's give it a trial. I love my daughters. I love peace.
Are you showing this, Chief?
Yes. Because, you know, this is absolutely not. You know this. Mokembiko, come or Conte. I don't understand exactly what you're saying. My daughters, have they reconciled? I want something emphatic.
Well, Chief, when I came back, you were sleeping, so I didn't want to wake you up. The situation I met in your house is nothing to write home about. Your daughters are getting worse. Your children are misbehaving.
Barrister, I don't get you. What do you mean worse? By now, they should have been reconciled. They should be mourning by now, not after the announcement. No!
Far from it, Chief. Far from it. Your two daughters are fighting every day. Every day they engage themselves in serious, brutal fights. In fact, I don't know what will come out of it. And I still think that this our idea is a bad idea. Yes, because Chief, your absence in your family has created that vacuum for them to continue to misbehave.
We need to give it a trial. Talk to my sister. Talk to her. Please, I want us to give it a trial. Because if the doctor has assured us that one of his patients solved his own family problem this way, then I don't see the reason we shouldn't give it a trial.
Well, Chief, if I am understanding what you mean, I think you are indirectly saying that I should intimate your sister with our secret.
You mean my sister said all this to you? Barrister, I'm not sure you met my sister. I'm not very sure. Because my sister is so fond of my daughters. She loves them. She cares about them, their well-being. Right from when they were born. She has been so fond of my children. How can you tell me all this? No, it's not possible. I don't believe you.
Well, Chief, my late father said something to me years back. He told me that the only thing that can't change is change itself.
Are you serious? I mean, so you mean that everything you have told me is the truth? Then what am I supposed to do? I'm bereft of ideas. I'm running out of ideas. I don't know what to do. What am I supposed to do now?
Well, Chief, we've come a long way. You are my bosom friend, and you know very well I can never lead you wrongly. With what is happening now, Chief, it will be a very bad news that what is supposed to seem good is turning out to become a very bad thing. Imagine a situation whereby, with the situation at hand, your two daughters eventually destroys themselves. They can even go as far as killing themselves. Think of it this way. What will be the reaction of your kinsmen by the time you surface? Should your daughter endanger their lives with what is happening?
I think you're right. I think you are very, very correct. I mean, I shouldn't be seen to be a coward in my own fight. This is my fight. I shouldn't run away when I'm supposed to show authority and leadership to my children and show them the way they have to go. Barrister, you're very correct. I will do exactly that.
You're right. You're right. So we should do the right thing, Chief.
Of course. Of course. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Barrister.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for everything, for the counsel, for the support, for the strength. Thank you. Thank you for the hospitality.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
God.
Let me attend to it. I heard the voice of my baby crying. Let me attend to it.
To think that my sister would stand and watch my daughters kill themselves. Barrister, honestly, it breaks my heart. It breaks me completely. Because when her husband died, and her husband's people were desperate to kill her, I was the one who asked her to return back to our father's house and live here. I took care of her. And now, look at her. This same very woman has turned out to be the devil that wants to destroy me and my family. All this while, I thought my daughters loved me. They good. Never. But they have shown no remorse. Barrister, since their mother died, I refused every entreaties to remarry. So I can provide for them, guide them, protect them.
I'm sorry, Dad.
Oh, shut up. Shut up, you. Oh, don't begin to shed crocodile tears because you both are a very big disappointment. Oh, Barrister, My brother, thank you very much. Thank you for the effort you have made in trying to bring this family back together again.
Chief, you are welcome.
Thank you. But this woman,
Jesus Christ. My head.
Joan! 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 Joan!
What happened to me?
Me too. My head hurts as if something struck my head. What happened to us? Why are we not sleeping on the same bed?
I don't know. It's just as if something hit my head when I jumped up from the bed.
I'm sorry, my sister. I want to apologize for everything. The series of fights, and I didn't know what I was doing. Please forgive me.
I'm so sorry. I've been the one making the whole trouble. Stop. I'm sorry. Forgive me. Forgive me too.
I have something to tell you. Daddy, we have acted so badly and disrespected you. Daddy, we are sorry. Daddy, please, find a place in your heart to forgive us. We don't know what we were doing. Daddy, remember how we used to run around, play together? We were best buddies. Daddy, please. We promise it will never happen again, please.
I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. I even gave you example with the broom on how the enemy can come between both of you, between all of us, if we give him a chance, by hating each other, by quarreling, by fighting. That was how your aunt took advantage and got in between us. Now, look at the mess we are all in.
Daddy, please, we are sorry. It will never happen again. Just give us this second chance, please. We are changed girls.
Yes, Daddy. It will never happen again. Please, Daddy, forgive us.
You promise?
Yes, Daddy, I promise. It will never happen again.
It won't happen again?
Yes, Daddy.
You. Are you telling me it won't happen again?
Yes, Daddy. I'm a changed person now. It will never happen again.
And you?
Yes, Daddy, I promise. Never.
Cross your heart.
Cross my heart, Daddy. I cross my heart. Never. Never.
Are you sure? Get it. Yes.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you. I don't feel so comfortable in this clothes.
Oh, don't be your own judge. You look, the clothes suits you.
Are you
Oh,
sure?
what Umeh, If you walk along this road, you see guys. Yes.
Wow.
Well,
I like this. Looks so perfect on you. I'm telling you, wow, just your perfect size.
Thank you, and you too. Look at.
Wow.
Boys, follow me. I'm blushing.
No, honestly, you look so beautiful.
Thank you, and you too.
Wow.
And you too. Negative. Look at. Good job. Daddy.
We don't have much time left.
Daddy, we're ready.
Let's hit the road. Come on.
All right. Okay.
My brother, please. My brother, please forgive me. Please forgive me. Forgive me. Don't hate me for all that has transpired between us. Please.
Hate you? Nina, I not only hate you, I despise you.
Please.
You of all people, to stand and watch my daughters almost kill themselves?
Please. Electra and Joan, please.
Please don't call our names.
Help me beg your father. Oh my God. What do you expect a frustrated woman like me to do?
You brought it upon yourself. You went to a native doctor to cause problem between my daughters because you claim I don't give you money. Yeah? Now I know. Now I see why my in-laws were so adamant in throwing you out of their house. Get out of my car, Nana. Get out! Girls, let's go. I am going back to the city. Going back to the city to live. There I will die and be buried. Get it. Let's go.
Leave the way because my dad will crush you. That's